Hey everyone, welcome to Bill AI. So today Anthropic has introduced computer use. It's pretty cool. So basically Claude can use your computer like a human. It can click things, navigate screens, type text. It's still in beta, but it's pretty cool. So they also upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Claude 3.5 Haiku. I can do videos on those later if you'd like. Just let me know in the comments. But today, computer use is what we're talking about. So I'm going to show you local implementation. So what I did is they actually have a GitHub repo here in the documentation. It tells you how to actually set it up. So it suggests to do a containerized environment. So I used Docker. So basically what you do is you copy a GitHub repo and launch it in Docker, and then you run the program, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. I'm not demoing how to set it up, but if you want me to do that, I can do that as well. Please put it in the comments and I'll do that. Probably take 5 minutes to set it up, and I can show you. But basically, for those that don't know, so Docker is kind of like a program that you run on your computer, and it will help contain the program so it doesn't reach other parts of your computer that you might have important things on that you don't want it to reach. So here's what it looks like. Once it's running, you can see it's running on localhost 8080. On the left is where you actually type the commands, and on the right is what the computer screen looks like. And so I'm going to start right now. Probably something about the Packers, so let's type something right here. Green Bay Packers. So open Firefox and visit google.com. And so as you can see, it is running the agent and it shows you what it's doing. First, let me take a screenshot to see the desktop. Then it's using the tools, so it's taking an action like using the mouse, clicking left, as you can see, left click there, that action. It explains what's going on now that Firefox is open. I will do this and this, and then it shows the actions in green, like the key that it hits and what it is typing, and then it kind of tells you where you're at. So great, Firefox is open, and we've successfully navigated to google.com. The search page is displayed. What would you like to search for? So let's see, I'm going to put, is there something I'd like to search for? Yes, please. Please let me know the full lineup of NFL games that will be occurring. Is there 2 R's or 2 C's? Yep, I always forget that one. Occurring this next weekend, starting on Thursday the 24th. Today is October 22nd, so the 24th. So enter that. So again, on the left, it's that's what I typed in next to the red icon. Then the yellow, it's yelling, running the agent, and the yellow is the agent's activities. Again, it's showing the inputs, the actions, the keys, the text, hitting the return button, and then as the screen advances, the real-time screen you're seeing on the right, on the left you're seeing that it's taking a screenshot so it can read the screenshot and understand where it's at, and then think to itself, okay, what do I need to do next to be able to answer the question from the user? And so clearly it's looking through the schedule to find the right weekend games starting on the 24th. So this looks like an error here. And what I did is I paused this and I checked. And what's going on here is that because we're in beta, they are throttling this. And if you look up top here, it says rate limit error. And basically, I've been sort of asking too many questions too fast for Anthropic, at least as of right now. I'm not sure if it's because of like my actual rate limit, or if it's because everybody is trying this out for the first time today, and they're throttling it a bit. But while I was doing this, it looked like an error. So I'm going to need to type something or start over. I'll probably say like, looks like you're broken, which I did do, and then it came back and it said, I don't believe I'm broken. I'm actually in the process of analyzing and providing you with the schedule. And so it does show the schedule. It is starting on the 24th with the Vikings against the Rams, and then all the games on Sunday the 27th. And I'm looking here, and I'm looking at the Packers, and I'm seeing that they are playing the Jaguars, so it does look like this is the correct schedule. So yes, it went out to the internet, did all the clicks, read the screens, understood where it was, brought back the answer, and now it's saying, is there anything else you'd like to know more about? So I'm saying, very nice. Let's see. So I'll ask you one more question. Yes, there's something I'd like to know. Who is expected to win the Green Bay Packers? Who are they playing again? Green Bay Packers versus the Jaguars. What's the line on that game? So it repeats what I said, starts running the agent, it's doing the appropriate search, taking screenshots of where it's at, showing the actions in green, and then coming back with the answer. It explains the line, the 4.5 points, what it means, so I understand it. And so obviously this is just the beginning. These are just sort of keystrokes and reading the screen and understanding where it is and what it needs to do next to come up with the answer. But it was going through several pages and several different searches, and so it is a good use case for day one of an agent using the computer like a human. And as you can imagine, as this advances, there's lots of implications for personal use and business use here. So again, let me know if you like this. Please please subscribe. And if you want me to show you the how to set it up locally in a container like Docker, just let me know in the comments and I'll do another video for that. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you soon.